Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Classes with me. Today we are going to learn about very simple topic in SQL, that is distinct. This keyword help us remove duplicate values from a result. Let's learn what it is, why we use it, and we will also do some practical example. So first thing first, let's learn about the theory. Distinct means unique. It tells SQL like show me only the unique values, don't show me the duplicates. Simple as that. And I would say this is a one liner example. If some recruiter asks you related to distinct and what is the way like SQL works when you write distinct in the query, you can just tell the recruiter like this: show me only unique values, don't show me duplicates. Simple as that. And you can see in front of my screen we have a small table called employee YT, that is employee YouTube. I have given my table name. You can give your table name as your wish. We have total of 6 rows and 4 columns. What are the column names? Employee ID, name, department, cities. And rows, there are 6 rows, right? And yeah, that's it. So what we have, we can see some of the datas are in repeated format, not the employee ID, not the name. I have kept it unique. I have repeatedly given the department and cities. Like IT, you can see HR, IT and HR, this two department have been repeated. As we can see, this is the small table, so you can see from your naked eyes. Simple as that. And cities, it's like Mumbai, Delhi are repeated. Bangalore is the unique one. Let's say I want to see unique department, only unique department. What you have to write? You have to write select distinct department from the table name employee YT. That's it. Select distinct this, and when you execute it, you have got it. You can write like this as well, like you can write in bracket. No worries for that. If you want, you can use bracket. If you want, you like no necessary to use bracket, like you have seen in the previous one. You will get the same result, so no worries for it. It's all your flexibility. And in this, what you have seen, we have seen only three unique departments, that is IT, HR, and finance. So SQL show them in a go, single one, single go, single writing query. That's it. Right now, I want to show you in a different column as well. Like I want to get all the unique cities. What you will do? You will write select distinct city from table name. That's it. I am not using bracket here, so that you can actually make a difference out of the both example. Like we can use with the bracket and we can also use without the bracket. Right now what we can see, we have only three unique cities like Mumbai, Delhi and Bangalore. Simple as that. Right now you might be having questions. So okay, like we can use distinct in one column right till now, but let me tell you, we can use distinct in multiple columns. How to use it? Suppose I want uh like related to department and city, because as I have told you previously, the department and city are those column where the data is in repeated format. So I want distinct department and city. Let's see what output do we get. It is like select distinct department comma city. And oh sorry, I have written a spelling mistake. Okay, let's do it in a bracket from employee YT, and let's execute it and let's see what output do we get. Okay, what we have got? We have got output on a couple format. Couple format means see, finance in Bangalore, HR in Delhi, which are unique, IT in Delhi, IT in Mumbai. This combination or this couple, like couple data, I would say. This combination you have received when you use distinct in two columns or more columns. You can use distinct in more columns as well. So this combination is all unique. That's what I'm trying to say. Like finance you will get in Bangalore, HR you will get in Delhi, IT with Delhi, IT with Mumbai. These are the unique combination, or you can say the, I would say, unique couple in the data. That's it. Better to say combination. It is a good way to express your knowledge in front of recruiter. And now the very common, that is count with distinct. Like you can count how many unique values are there. How to use it? Simple as that. Let's show you the table again from employee YT. Suppose I need to find out city. How many unique cities are there? Earlier, what we have find out, we have find out like there are three cities, because the table was small, three rows came, you can tell easily. But suppose there are total maybe 100 unique cities, and why to scroll down so much when we have this count distinct city? That's it. When we have this, why to scroll down a lot, and let's see how many like rows are there. And we know like here total rows equal to 3 is also available. So but still, when we have received this much things, why to use it? When we execute it, see, there are total 3 count of unique cities in the table. Simple as that. Simple as that. And we can use this count in CTE format as well, in subquery format as well, easily. We will learn all these things in future videos. So that's the like that's where we use distinct a lot in writing queries. And also let's point it out like when to use distinct. I have 3 points till now in this video. Like we use distinct when we want a list of unique values, or we want to remove duplicates, we want clean data for a drop down or for a filter format, like I've told you, related to subqueries and CTs. And let me present you some real life uses. Like distinct is used for unique customer cities from my table, unique product category as well, unique years, unique department, unique job titles. And also I would say, if you want, you can practice some distinct question, like you can find out the unique departments. Like with it, please practice it on your own. You can like find out unique department cities or unique product and cities when you are working for a e-commerce project, or some practice sessions. You can do that as well. So that's all about the distinct keyword. Very simple, very useful. If you like my video, please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, plus click on the bell icon, so that you get notification related to the live stream which we do every day. And you can join in my live stream and ask your doubts related to any queries from SQL or Python for data analytics. Plus share this video to someone who want to learn SQL, and also who want to increase their knowledge or brush up their knowledge in SQL point of view. So that's all about it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy learning, happy coding, and happy querying.